Okay, so it seems like they're doing the geoengineering in angles that are not conducive to taking pictures. Since these are basically facing the sun, you have to face the sun to see them. And you can see these are clearly very long jet trails. Okay, so here's another chemtrail, geoengineered trail sunset. See the line, this line here has expanded out, drifted into that line there. Basically what they'll do is they'll come together and then form this haze, like right there. And that's what we're seeing. Haze. Basically, geoengineering day, man. And so, unfortunately, we have no idea what they're spraying. And so basically, and no one wants to tell anyway, because it's somewhat of a covert operation. And it's 5 o'clock, and I just saw one go by. It's right there. That one of those right there in the middle just went by.